In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can reset your Windows 11 laptop. So let's get started. So we just need to simply click on the start button, and here we can find settings, or you can directly make a right click at the start button and click on the settings. Now once you are on the settings window, you just need to simply look at the options on the left pane and click on system. Then you have to scroll down, and here you can find the option recovery, reset, advanced startup, and go back. Click on that. Now here you have the option recovery options, reset this PC, choose to keep or remove your files, then reinstall Windows. So click on reset PC button. Now you have to choose an option right here to keep your files or to remove everything. Keep my files removes apps and settings but keep your personal files. The second one is to remove everything, removes all your personal files, apps, and settings. So it's up to you. You can go with either any of these two options. You can go with keep my files if you want to keep your personal files or remove everything. So let's go with keep my files. And here you will be asked how would you like to reinstall Windows. It could be a cloud download or a local reinstall. You can go with cloud download if you are connected to an internet connection and it is good. The internet connection is good, so you can go with cloud download. But if you're not connected to, then you can go with the second option, which is local reinstall. Now if you're connected, then just simply go with cloud download and click on that. So, restore apps and settings which came with this PC, download and reinstall Windows. So you can go with the next button and this will start to reset your PC. And you just need to wait for that process to be done. Okay, so that's it. And then once your PC will be open, this will be like a fresh PC that you have bought from the store. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.